Na ekene gị.
Ndewo Nneoma.
Daalụ.
Daalụkwa.
Papa m dị Maazị and Craft.
Eziokwu. Ọmụawụ Rabi Ekwu Eliyahu soro ya ichie ya wenyere ugo Idrealis Kingdom. Ndewo.
Daalụ. Ka ị nwere ịkọwara anyị maka mmemme a na-eme taa gbasara eri taa afọ m n'onwe ndị si ebe dị iche iche wee bịa ma ndị si Delta ma ndị si America ma ndị si so many places wee bịa ịnọnyere na bụ ọnọdụ taa.
Exactly. Yeah, to start with, more when we see Imo State.
Imo State ka isi bịa.
Can see where bịa. Oguta Amechi precisely. The Lake City. Otago. So, the kids were cool. Now the day joro. You have mmemme Eri Festival. World Eri Festival. I'm Napobia mmemme oriri obibia Eri. N'ihi na dịka anyị na-eme researches na-eme ọchụchọ ịchọpụta inyocha na ịchọpụta ebe ndị Igbo anyị si n'ihi na Igbo si n'elu da Igbo nwere origin. So researches na-akọwa that na ndị Igbo migrated na mpaghara mba Ancient Hebrews. Ndị Hebrew, Ancient Hebrew bụ the Ancient Idrealis. Israelites are all descendants of Abraham. Okay, the scriptures in Genesis chapter 14 and verse 13 that Abraham born Hebrew. But Abraham is the Hebrew. Or when we continue to research, I will chop an aswan about Hebrew. We hope that Igbo. Igbo. So ya na odudanya bụ na Abraham bụ onye Igbo. Myself gịnị agụzi ebe a, I'm a Hebrew scholar.
Abraham bụ onye Igbo.
Mụ na so na-akụzi ya na-eme ka ndị ụwa mata na Abraham the Hebrew, meaning that Abraham bụ onye Igbo. Abraham is now all of the Chaldeans where got the Euphrates, River Euphrates, where bata to the Canaanites, the settlement of the Canaanites, came up all the promised land. So Abraham got the Canaanites been at that promised land, where Sina Onyabo Igbo, just not Hebrew, meaning only see another place. All of the Chaldeans were crossed over to that very land and settled. So Abraham were more asato, asato. So now the second son who Isaac, where may inherit. Isaac were more two sons, the twin sons, Esau and Jacob. So eventually, Jacob when Isaac inherit. So from there, I see when the 12 tribes of Israel, meaning the 12 sons of Jacob. So according to the scriptural research, part of Ndi Igbo migrated from one of the 12 sons of Israel, known as Gad. Okay, Gad was Roman more Eri. Oleri, Arode, and others. So in the research assignment when I chapter na Genesis 46 verse 16 that na Eri, Arode and Oreri migrated while the Egyptians were in Egypt at that time. We're not down to an Igbo here. So myself, there's a research I made, I published it. I call it the genealogy of the Igbo nation. It's trending, it's going everywhere. So in that kind of Mpara Ebe, Gad and the descendants of Gad. So in God, you see Eri and the rest of the sons of Gad. They had a reason from Egypt at that time, migrated and come down to this place. All that time I had the Reba. They had one yesterday. The oldest man of Agulere and Obollo-Afor, the 102 years. What's now yesterday by Neba, if you are very attentive. That Neha now, okay, they are not Joe, yeah, no Bugad. So, organize how. And now, so they have. The man said, now, hieroglyphic, which is the type of writing the Egypt at that time. So, all from that, as Sunday Hebrew, already made us in the Egypt. ka those people they regroup ndị hapụ Egypt ji wee buru asụsụ ahụ wee migrate wee bata ebe a nke a na-akpọzi ya na onye Igbo anyị bụ nsibidi Igbo. Nsibidi Igbo, ya bụ the oldest Igbo characters eji ede Igbo language. So the Europeans have suppressed that one. We may not know the whereabouts of it again. So since then, I do a research. So I went up to actually now, the ancient people that left Egypt at that time descended and come down to this place. Now, according to that chart I made, from there I got from God and other members of the Igbo nation, how they spread from that place. So that's that. So I know yearly when it was confirmed there were a team of Israelis that came to this land, came to Igbo. If they are fact finding each of them exactly the relationship between the Igbos and the Jews. Of course they call it the Jews, but I continue to question people. No matter give trace about the Igbo origin, they go back to the Jews. Jews are not actually the ancient people of Israel. The ancient people of Israel are the members of the 12 sons of Israel, the 12 tribes. We check our DNA is going to be, synchronized with that of the ancient Israelites. Because never have been descended from the ethnic issue. So that's exactly. So I bet when the nation had been going guesswork or for certainty whether the Igbos migrated from Israel or not. So the Jews, the present Jews, jury started to make some findings in relationship between the cultural activities of the Jews and Nankendi Igbo. So from there they come to really recognize to an extent that na Ndi Igbo na have been the Jews. There is some relationship. But there are a lot of things that relates the Igbos and the ancient Israelis. As scholars will continue to research to make the world to understand it. So I know this in this every year in commemoration of remembrance of Nanyeri, God Moro Eri, and other people. So Eri and his team, Eri happened to be the eldest among them who came and settled here in Igbo land at that time. So this place where Eri settled. So we had up to 5 sons. We have Ata, we have Aguleri, that happens to be the first son here by Agol Eri, Ata Eri, Mary, up from Mary can read to where migrated. So people are not happy like that because they don't really go deeper to make research. Then before their age will be thrown, they are not Oji. I'm talking about in Anambra here. So because Aguleri bo isi Igbo, Oya bo Okpara Eri. So mine boy Oriri Eri or Eri World Festival. I name here every year. Each when they chetam when Nanye remigratory at the ancient time memorial Tanto and Igbo. So actually that's what we are celebrating. So from this very grand, Kaututundi Igbo will spread there down to the Igbo communities in Igbo land as it is today. Thank you. Thank you so much. This is where Joe Makandi Delta or then on less than the Delta. Yeah. According to Yandi been at the other side of the Niger. Yeah, according to the history that I researched, one of the sons of Eri, Oba happens to be the progenitor of many communities down the river line, including my hometown Buguta, Onitsha, and some parts of these communities in the riverline area. Okay, so it's a long history, but we are still trying to put it in script. That is so the people now, the modern children, will be able to know. There are things actually that happened that made some group from Oba here to cross over to River Niger to go and help the Oba of Benin, who were contesting. There were 2 parties contesting at that very time. So those people from this place left and joined them to help them out. So eventually, when they helped them, Hamesha win the struggle. It was a kind of a dialogue who will be told as the Oba So let us say much of that now those people see na eba we cross over to Delta area abu originally the Deltans. So time based on when the Delta was in the turn of time after some time they started going down the riverline area. Some settled here. What I go some other town on it. Like even Nugutabani, and relations of villages up to 4 villages. The same thing when Nuguta came when on it. He goes in now, honey are people of the same group. According to historian book, Umezora. Now Umezechima. And these are the 2 groups of people that descended Umezechima. Wherever down, even down to river states. You can go along the river line. Umezechima. Historians know about the Umezechima. You can find that this man nago this high life music. Obogo Konji. One recent album or producer. Ihomba yonye ndibu Umezechima. Igenti ni ha kosi nemo ha ndiri nesi eba webada along the river line down to River State. Only mention her one by one baba. West Nandi Abundibu Umezechima. So that's that. The relationship is that now all Babu Onyemoro, all these people, one of the sons of Eri that settled at that time at this place. So that's that. It's a long history which if you like you can engage me later so I can just give you the records of how this thing come about, or if I have your WhatsApp contact I will send over a chat the genealogy of the Igbo nation and the Abraham family tree. So
it's something that we'll visit so that we'll sit, discuss more, because now here the event is taking place here and keeping you standing and all that will stress you. So it's something that we'll have your contact, then we'll have a particular day that will be comfortable for you, then we'll sit and discuss more about this. So thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it, sir. Thank you. All right, thank you. Hi guys. Have you heard about Jima's fan babies? The washable baby diaper. This economy, guys. You need to come and hear this good news from me. This is one of the best baby diaper that you can use in this economy now. With the way this economy carry us, they go front and back end. Just come and test it and thank me later. It's for our babies, our newborn babies. Those babies where they piss, they say, if they hear, shh. You can be like saying a tap they run. You know those are picking the people bed. Come and try this and thank me later. It is very smooth. It's washable diaper. You don't need to say that, I don't want to stain my hands. I don't have to wash my baby. For waiting, come try them. It's washable, like when you wash it and dry it. It soaks the wee, but it doesn't leak. That's the good news. When you wear your baby, this Jima's baby's hair, it soaks the wee, but the good news is that it does not leak, like very comfortable and smooth. And it's encouraged to use during the day and during the night, like do not say I did not tell you. No talk say I no give you this good news though. If nobody say my pikin self see day road they come, guys. But wait, I will still show you how to use it. Let's go there. This is one of the best for now. Yes, tested and trusted. You can buy it for your children. If you have 5 children that are on the bed, imagine coming to visit somebody that we work for children. You don't feel that person hard because of children they we. Some of them they don't even get pity. They don't even pity the bed. Some people bed they don't scatter tear. Join chinchi on top. Now they bring chinchi. They are ready to supply anywhere for this country, anywhere, nationwide, always available, no matter the quantity you want. If 100 pieces, 1 million pieces, 1,000, they get them. Come and try and thank me later. Their number is on the screen there. You can chat us on the WhatsApp there. You can DM, send us a message and tell us you want the quantity you want for the babies. No matter the size of your baby, if you're picking up, you get big bum or the small one, you go size them. Come and buy and thank me later.